At the heart of industry are teams of people working hard, moving, loading, unloading, and delivering. Every lift carries more than weight. It carries pressure, repetition, fatigue, and over time, risk. Introducing SafeLift, a powered exosuit designed to reduce strain, support movement, and help workers and organizations perform at their best with continuous, proven ROI month after month. SafeLift offloads up to 40% of lifting force during repetitive tasks, helping reduce overexertion injuries while improving productivity. 3 integrated motion sensors continuously track body movement. The moment a worker bends to lift, SafeLift responds instantly, activating its intelligent artificial lift assist only when support is needed. No restriction, no bulky robotics, just lightweight, flexible assistance that works with the body, not against it. Riding light with integrated fan and ergonomically optimized raised design, SafeLift stays lightweight, breathable, and comfortable through an entire shift. SafeLift does more than assist movement. It captures critical ergonomic and lifting data in real time for individuals, teams, and entire organizations. Safety teams gain actionable insights into lift counts, risky movement patterns, usage trends, and operational performance, helping companies identify risk before injuries happen. Every SafeLift trademark system includes dedicated locker storage, charging stations, cloud connectivity, and ongoing support, with proven ROI month after month. Safer movement, smarter teamwork, stronger performance. SafeLift, intelligence behind every lift.